What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going to see if the gate at Round Knob is open, and if it is, we're going to try to ride up to the top. I've got another video of me riding my Jeep up to the top, but it was actually me just coming back down. I never showed going up, so we'll see if it's open, and if it is, I hope we can get to the top before it rains, because it's starting to look just a little bit cloudy. I only brought the one camera today, so probably just going to be a POV from this angle. I'm probably not going to get out and take any other different shots. So without further ado, I'm going to quit talking and just enjoy the ride. There's a little picnic area. The gate is open, so we'll try it out here. Whoa, that was quick. This looks muddy. This ain't too bad. Here we go. A little bit muddy on my back tire, not too bad. Dang, there might be more mud on this trail than I thought. I don't remember it being too bad on the Jeep. It's also been a while back. See how much it's changed anyway. Still a lot of leaves on this trail. Kind of a funny story. It was about right here. I was coming up through here in my Jeep, and the Jeep died on me. It was a little bit further up here, maybe right up here. Yeah, I'd say somewhere right in this area. And I did get it start back, but it wasn't running right, so I backed up to down there where I first started telling this story. And it died again. Because there ain't really, I mean, you can see it's kind of narrow, so it's not a very good place to turn around. It gets narrower up here. But, turns out I ran over a stick and it unplugged my fuel pump. So, I was able to climb up under the Jeep and fix it, luckily. Had me panicked a little bit, though, because I didn't know, you know, I didn't want to be broke down up here. But it was an easy fix, and you actually got phone signals for most of this trail, so it's not terrible. And if something was to happen. Anyway, I'm gonna quit talking now. Back in my dip here. Oops. It's a workout coming up through here. Man, that section there always reminds me of Horse Creek. Horse Creek's real rocky like that too. Hard to keep your balance. Oh, run over that big rock. Wasn't the line I wanted. Alright. I think we're past the worst part of it. Man, that's a climb. A little rougher than I remember. I guess mainly doing it on a bike versus the Jeep. I said this in the last video, but once again, if you plan on coming up this trail in a Jeep, oh, I spun the back end out. Pull it here again. Man, I'm on a slick spot. I'm just spinning. You kind of see where I slid a little. But if you plan on coming up here in a Jeep, you can see how narrow it is. Whew. You're probably going to get some scratches. Probably wouldn't come up here anything too nice unless you just don't care to get a scratch on it. We should be closing in on where I turned around in my Jeep. Big hole. Hit the left side again. Feel more comfortable going on my left side for whatever reason. Biggest thing right here. of this. That kind of looks smooth. I'm gonna keep going straight though. I don't remember going down a hill. That might be where I turned around last time. And this don't even look like somebody's been on it a long time. Yeah, back there is definitely where I turned around last time. And that trail going down was not there before. I don't remember any of this. To the top of the mountain. Maybe I did do that before. This looks more like the spot I turned around at. Yeah, this definitely is it. This has been a while, I guess. This is the spot I turned around at. But I ain't kidding you, I don't remember that other spot back there. But this is where I stopped because I wasn't about to take my Jeep up through here. I reckon it looks like you can though. It's wide enough for a side-by-side at least. I'm gonna go a little further here and see if this trail eventually comes to an end somewhere. You know, it's getting a whole lot narrower. cooled off a lot. Say the rain is rolling in. This trail here has not been rode hardly at all. It's in very good shape. Nowhere near as rocky. Right when I say that, it gets a little bit more rocky. But, I mean, there's grass on the trail and everything. Nice up here. Well, we made it up the Appalachian Trail. I'm not going to ride up here, obviously, because I know you're not supposed to be on the Appalachian Trail, so I'll turn around, but this is cool. I've never been on this part of the Appalachian Trail. I do know if you go that way, you'll eventually wind up in Cold Springs Mountain. So, pretty neat. I got family buried over there. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, I've got a few others. Go on my channel, check them out. Thanks for watching.